Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to film a video about a lot of 3CE products that I recently purchased. It is my first time trying out this Korean brand. It is a Stylenanda brand. So if you guys haven't heard about Stylenanda, it's a Korean brand that sells really cute clothing and cosmetics, skincare. This is the first time I've made a purchase from them, and I decided to go with the makeup. So I ended up getting two of their eyeshadow pot eyeshadows in the color Holy Chic and Baby Latte. I'm going to be swatching these for you guys, but I was mostly interested in trying out their velvet lip tints. These are matte liquid lipsticks that are also tints. Now they do have a kit with like 10 colors, I believe it's 10 colors, but and I was tempted to get it, but a lot of the colors that were on there were on the red and like hot pink range, and I'm not really into those colors, so I decided to just pick separate colors that I like, that I know I'm gonna wear on a daily basis. I got about nine lip tints, so I'm gonna be swatching all of these for you guys today. Now, I know these were released about 2 years ago. Correct me if I'm wrong. Someone let me know in the comment section. They're not new, but I have been eyeing these for a really long time. They retail for $15 each. So, yeah, I went a little crazy with these. I haven't bought lip products in a while. I'm trying not to hoard. I mean, can you tell? I don't really have a lot of lipsticks, and I've been wanting these for a really long time, so I decided to splurge on them. I've never made a video like this, so I'm just going to swatch them as I go. And I have a couple of cotton pads here and micellar Bioderma micellar water to remove the lip color. Yeah, so bear with me guys. I'm so new at this, so yeah, gotta deal with that. Sorry guys. Alrighty, so the first one that I'm going to swatch is Rambling Rose. This is a nice pinky neutral. This is the first color that I tried. My lips are a little chapped right now, so you might be able to see that on camera. So that's what Rambling Rose looks like. Excuse my chapped lips. I highly recommend exfoliating before trying out any velvet matte lip product. I should have taken my own advice, but I was really in a rush, so sorry guys. The next color I'm gonna try is Taupe, which is like a burgundy neutral color. I normally don't do dark colors, but this one looked gorgeous on the model. And one of the reasons why I was so interested in this product was because the way they marketed it was that typical Korean ombre rose petal lip. And I really love that because it's really subtle. It's not like a full coverage type of lip. Okay, this is a beautiful brick type of color. I don't know how to describe it because it does have brown undertone. I'm really surprised that this looks so good. Okay, so I took a little break to exfoliate my lips because it was really bothering me how dry they were. And I'm noticing that some of the lip color is seeping into like the dry cracks of my lips, so that was really getting on my nerves. You can kind of see it right there. The next color is New Nude. This is the only nude color that I got. I'm kind of iffy about this one because a lot of nudes don't look good on me, but this one has like a pink undertone. Another thing about these lip tints is that they're not heavily scented, so you don't have that nasty like cupcake vanilla flavor. Some people don't like that. I don't mind it if it's not overwhelming. 'Cause there are some products out there that they just put way too much of that scent. This one's really pretty. It has a peachy color to it, peachy tinge. Next lip tint is Pink Break. This is probably this is more like a pink lemonade type of color. The colors are so soft. I'm noticing that now. So don't expect like a ton of pigment. You have to kind of build it. Just ignore that little patch of skin that's peeling off. Sorry guys. Oh, I love it. Okay, now what I love about these lip tints is that, I know I keep gushing about them, but I like that it looks like I blotted my lips. That's the kind of look that I want. And it's interesting how this actually started out in Korea, and now I see a lot of Western brands trying to copy that look, where it looks like blotted or that radiant lip. Okay, next color is Enjoy Love. It's another pink shade. This looks more on, like, it's on the coral side, like a pink coral. Okay, this one's definitely brighter than the previous color. Yeah, this one's brighter. I haven't been disappointed yet, so I'm kind of nervous. Hopefully I end up liking all of these colors. So the next color is Absorbed. Oh, and by the way, the names, they start off with the hashtag, so I thought that was kind of cute. This is another pink color, but this is more of like a deep pink. It's not as bright. It's more on the red side. Maybe in the fall season I'll wear this one, but it's definitely not my favorite. So the next color is Go Now. I'm really excited to try this color. I was looking forward to this one. It's like a mauvey, pinky purple color. Oh yeah, it's purple, alright. It looks weird on me. Oh man. Kind of matches my hair a little bit. My hair is like a pinky lilac right now. I don't hate it. Just judging from the tube, I was not expecting this color. I mean, look at that. Look at the difference. This color is also in the purple range. It's called Know Better. It's definitely more of a plum, deeper purple color. This is really pretty. Wow. I love it. The last color that I'm swatching is in the purple range, and it's definitely a lot darker. Oh, it's so soft on my lips. Like when I rub my lips together, it glides. I don't know, it has that slippery, soft cushion feeling, unlike matte lipsticks that you can't even rub your lips together with most matte lipsticks. That's the last of the Velvet Lip Tints. I'm going to try the two eyeshadows that I got. Now, these are on the glittery side. This is the color Baby Latte. It's a nice shimmery gold color. And I just noticed that my nails are so long, so I don't know how I'm going to swatch this. Okay, well, we'll work something out. Okay, the next color is Holy Chic. This is more of like a sandy beige shimmery eyeshadow. It's so pretty. I thought these two would look great together. And it's more like on the gold side. Okay, I'm going to just use my knuckle, and put some on the back of my hand, and I'll apply it on my eyelids. I like to use my fingers. My fingers are clean. I like to use my fingers when applying eyeshadow, especially potted eyeshadows. I'm going to put Holy Chic, which is the dark sand color, on my lid, and then on my outer lid and in my inner corner I'm going to put Baby Latte. So, whoa, these are... Okay, as soon as I touched it, it feels really airy and light. It doesn't have like a wet feeling. This is really cool. It almost feels dry. Okay, this is going to be a little hard because of my eyelash extensions. Wow, I just barely touched the back of my hand, and look at how much sparkle I got. I love sparkly eyeshadow, guys. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my non-sparkly matte colors, but every once in a while I do like to buy glittery ones. Alright, I'm gonna put Baby Latte on the outer corner. Okay, it's definitely a lot lighter than Holy Chic. And you know what? I haven't noticed any fallout, which I like, because I don't like when it falls. It's like I don't like glitter fallout on my lash extensions. It's so irritating. So I'm going to put a little bit of the light shade in my inner corners. Alright, and that's it. I didn't really do much with these. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I am in no way a beauty guru. So, I mean, you just saw me. I use my fingers and that's it. Nothing special here. I just wanted a little sparkle, and this did it. I mean, this worked. So that's it for my video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for bearing with me and for dealing with my chapped lips and my inexperience. Like I said, this is the first time I filmed something like this. It was really intimidating. I don't know. I feel like I'm not that good at makeup, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna buy it and, you know, try things and experiment every once in a while. So I kind of wanted to show you guys, yeah, what I bought and show you the colors. I recommend these, but like I said, if you want something that's gonna last you all day, I suggest you go with a different brand, do a little bit of research. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.